Are there defenses to your shoplifting charge? There sure are. I'm Bill Umansky, the Lawman. Listen, you may have been charged with shoplifting or petty theft in a retail store, and you may be thinking, they got me. They got all the goods. I didn't scan the item or I concealed the item. Whoa, wait a minute. You may still have some vital defenses. There are 4 defenses that I can tell you about right now that you may have that could lead to dismissal of your charges. One is identity issues. Identity? They got me on camera. Listen, these software that they have, their surveillance software, sometimes they break down. Sometimes the quality of the video, because the stores are too cheap, doesn't even look like you in the video. And sometimes, believe it or not, with my 30 years of experience, I can tell you that sometimes the prosecutors produce video of someone else entirely. Yeah, the loss prevention officer is an idiot and gives the state the wrong file. And the prosecutor doesn't even look at their case until the day of trial, when they've subpoenaed the wrong witness and the wrong evidence. Result? Charge dismissed. The second defense you might have is intent. What does intent mean? Well, I can give you some legal mumbo jumbo about intent, but really, did you intend to do it? Did you intend to steal the item that they're accusing you of taking? Intent. What is a defense to intent? Well, you might have been shopping with a bunch of kids, screaming and yelling. You're running off to do many, many errands and your kids are in your face, in your ears. You just forget to scan an item. Or you're so busy, you're thinking about what errands to run, what food to make for dinner and all this other stuff that you just put in an item into your purse or your bag by accident. It happens all the time. Basically, you didn't have the intent to steal the item. It was a mistake. Or maybe you've been in the checkout line and you're scanning some items and one of the items didn't work and you didn't notice. You just took the item, put it in your bag. Maybe it was a couple items. You paid for most of the stuff. Why are they accusing you of stealing? There's oftentimes those checkout counters are convenient, but they're a trap for the unwary. And if you go through and you don't pay for an item, boom, you're caught. And now you're a risk to your career and reputation. You have to have intent to steal. The government just can't get away with accusing you of the worst possible crime of morality without proving intent. Let's talk about a sad one. Sometimes pain medication. Yeah, pain medication can alter your reality. You may have had surgery or a car accident, or you're on some heavy-duty pain medication that distorts your judgment. You would never intend to steal, but you're so looped out on pain medication that you went into the store and before you know it, you put an item in your bag that you had no idea what you were doing. Well, medical defenses and medications can mess you up, and that is definitely something with a doctor's note or an opinion from an expert that can help you get your charge dismissed. The fourth defense is the lookout defense. What is that? You may be in the store with your friends, and unbeknownst to you, they go ahead and steal an item. And now loss prevention approaches the both of you, and you get charged with a crime. You said I didn't take any items, and that's correct. But the loss prevention and the police accuse you of being the lookout. Well, is that really fair? And how is the government or the store going to really prove that? What, are they going to come in and go, she was looking around with furtive eyes? They're not going to pick that up. And on the video, it's very rare that it's going to show that. It is not fair to you if you don't have the item and you didn't take the item and you didn't conceal the item and you didn't fail to scan the item for you to get charged with shoplifting as a lookout. It's called the lookout defense. And a great lawyer can raise that to get your charges dropped or dismissed. So if you've been charged with shoplifting and you feel like you have a defense, hiring a lawyer can be critical to getting your case dismissed. Don't panic. Give us a call. Everyone deserves a second chance. I'm Bill Umansky, the Lawman, out.